Welcome. Today it's the first day of spring. Still got some snow out there, but we're going to be installing this seal on the back of the transfer case. I'll show you why we're going to do that here in a few minutes. So it's time to fire it up, pull the truck forward. No grid heater. Notice all this oil all over. So undo the bolts, pull the drive shaft, we'll get that little seal out, put the new one in, then we'll drain and fill a new transmission. So step one here is going to be, first, block up the wheel, because we're going to be taking the drive shaft out. We don't want this thing to roll backwards on top of us. Safety first. So now that we got the U-bolt, or the U-clamp bolts undone, I just loosened up the bottom one enough so that way I can just rock it forward and pull it up out. It'll give me something to set it into when I put it back on. Now we can go ahead and it's kind of hard to do as one hand. Let me see if I can just kind of set the phone down there. Oh. Alright, so now we got it out. You can see there's some more transmission fluid dripping out of there. So I'm gonna let it kind of drip for a few minutes, let it all empty out. Then I'm gonna use something, try to, like a chisel or something, get back behind here and tap that right out of there. So you can see a bead on her. Got her all nice and loose. Just comes right out. There's the old seal. Time to clean it up and put the new one back in there. So what I like to do with a new seal is I like to put a bunch of grease into there. Keep that spring on the back side. I really don't need to do that on the back side there. But that's what I did on the back side and put it in that lip there. So now let's get it installed. Installation tip on this. There's a little hole in that bottom of the seal you saw when we were taking it out. That was leaking fluid. That goes to the bottom. And there's a little notch to the top. So make sure you got that aligned so that way that's on the bottom. start getting her square. Usually I like to get like a piece of pipe or something that fits right around there, and then tap on the pipe, but I don't have that luxury today, so I'm going to be using a tap and a punch and slowly going around the seal until it's fully seated. So here we are. It's fully seated all the way around. Just remember to make sure you go evenly around. You'll notice a difference in sound as soon as you bottom out. It sounds solid. And the next step is just reinsert your drive shaft. Put it back into the little loop. Now you just got to put the little loops back on and tighten up the bolts. Get them torqued to spec. Then put that plug back in there. Fill up the transfer case with some new ATF plus 4. And we're all set. Thanks for watching. So a little bonus footage here. To fill the transfer case, I like to use these little pumps. And also, it makes it so easy because there's not enough room to get a funnel in there and fill. So just using a little pump here, it makes it just a lot easier. Might take a couple more minutes to get it all in there, but I like to get it in there. You know, and then also another shot of the transmission mount with the little transmission mount bracket. Again, there's two little L brackets on either side with a pin that goes down through the bottom. So the L brackets are bolted up top here, and you can see the pin goes down through and connects one side to the other. You can find those on eBay. Again, look up transmission mount safety bracket. You'll be able to find them on eBay, or maybe comment and maybe we can see where it goes down. Maybe I can send it to you. I do have PayPal, so if you're interested, I got just the bracket that'll go on to an existing mount, or I have the mount with the bracket. This is for, I believe, the second gens, automatic and standard, from like 94 to 2002. This truck has the NV 4500 in it with the 241 DLD. Now it doesn't mean light duty or heavy duty. It's just with the NV 4500 that has that PTO cover right there. You don't have a PTO housing on this, so it's just all one case, solid case, no PTO hookups on it, and that's the difference between the LD and the HD. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.